Hello everyone, welcome back to this second part of this video series on how to clone a HTML template to WordPress using Elementor page builder. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed up to this section or hero section, and now let's design this section, what we do, or services section. For this one, what we can do, we can insert a one column section like this, and let's give a padding about 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom, and then let's insert this. Okay, what do we do? $45. Okay, then let's insert inner section like this, with padding about little 40 to the top. Then let's insert image box. Okay, and let's insert image from here. Okay, first one is this nail art. Here we can copy all this and drag it here. Okay, and let's use this image, insert it. Okay, and that is nail art. Okay, lower some text here. Okay, change the color. Okay, then let's duplicate this section, sorry, this column, duplicate this like this, and copy this, paste it here like that. Now we have 4. Next one is manicure. Next one is pedicure. And the last one is paraffin wax. Okay, something like this. This is what we do. Okay. Okay, we can have border on image like this one. Let's try border solid. Border it is 150. Oh, sorry, it should be white 1, and border it is 150. Okay, spacing, no, 15. White, no. Okay, it is not working here. This border, circular border or circle is what I want to say is there are a lot of spacing margin between this image and this border, circular border. So here we do not have this space and we do not have the option here itself. Okay, so just avoid it. And the size to size, what is this size? It's 30. Okay, leave it to 30. Okay, and let's try, we can try one thing. So let's check out icon box. Let's see if we can. Okay, here the image is in the format of PNG. Okay, but in icon box we can upload only SVG format, so we cannot use icon box for this image. One thing what we can do, let's try Sina content box, Sina icon or Sina content box. Image, yeah. Then let's see if we can have border, icon, image, border type, solid. Oh yeah, yes, and radius and 150. No, this is not working. What about the border radius? Border solid. Okay, problem here is that we can have border but we cannot have border radius. So yeah, this widget is not enough to design it. One thing, we can try custom CSS, but yeah, we can avoid it without a circular border. This is enough. And if you really want to have circular border the frame, then please comment in the below so that we can try to seek other add-on widget or custom CSS. Okay, next is this divider. For this divider, you just have to insert one column section like this, and let's insert an image, or what we can do, let's insert a background image like this and select it from here. Let's select this too and upload it here. Insert media. Okay, size, cover, medium, high. Okay, it is not working. Just so let's make it simple. Let's just insert an image like this and insert the image like this one. For that, what we can do, to position this image here like this, what we can do, either positioning, for example, position absolute, do something like this. Okay, we can do something like this, or what we can do, or we can make this section full white and make it align to the right, something like this. And one thing we can do, let's add margin or padding to this section. So for example, 150 to the right, 150 to the left, something like this. Okay, something like this. Then about us section. About us. For this about us, we let's insert let's insert a template. Slider 1, let's insert it. Okay, same thing, let's just bring this to the left and go to section setting, box, default. Okay, and let's remove the padding from the left and right of this left column. Then let's make this image align to the right. Okay, and let's change this image. Let's upload this one. I drag it and drop it here. Insert media like this. About us. Or delete this one, insert text editor. Okay, and you can add button. Okay. Okay, and we can also add a little padding to the top and bottom like this, about 100. Then for this one, let's copy this section and paste it here, and let's change the image to this one and align to the left. Okay, like this. And then our pricing section, for this we can copy this section, what we do section, copy this, paste it here. Okay, then our pricing, then we can delete this icon box. Instead, we can insert table sign up pricing. Okay, insert this one. Okay. Oh, we can delete one column, only 3. Okay, here we can change the color to yellow to match. Oh, sorry, for the border it should be black, gray, and background it should be yellow. What's on the content price? Okay, here it is. Yes, and the button. Okay, on the button, book now, something like that. Okay, price. Copy this, paste it. You can change the contents here. You can delete, add, you can change the style, you can change the content. So for the layout, this is enough. Okay, then the last section, or the last but one section, mid our exports. For this one too, we can just copy this section, paste it here. Oh, there is another here for this. Let's copy this section and put it here, paste it here. Okay, now here meet our exports. Okay, 1 2 3, select these 3, copy it, and insert media, delete one column, for this less image white, about 80%. Then and border solid, no, image white 80%. Okay, 15 or 20. And the color gray, of course, like this, light gray. Then and on hover, border, for the border there is no changes for hover color. This is not good. What we can do, there is no option, so what we can do, okay, let's avoid this altogether. Or if you want to this 100%, you can do it by choosing an image widget here. If I use image widget, let's see. On hover, oh, okay. Even in the image widget too, we cannot change the border color. So bad, too bad. So we have to do, either we try different widget or custom CSS. So let's avoid it altogether. Okay, now next one. Copy this, paste there. Okay, paste there. Okay, I don't know. Okay, there are lots of margins between these three widgets. So one thing we can do here, go to section setting and reduce the section wide to about 700, something like this, or 800, like that. Then go to copy this section and paste it here. Okay, the last one, get in touch. Okay, for this one, let's insert a one column section like this, and padding about 100 to the top, 100 to the bottom. Copy this, paste it here, get in touch. Then the email, the form, contact form. Okay, send our contact form. insert it here. Style, layout 1. Okay. For this color, border color black, and button color black. Okay, and then the next section is the map. For this map, it is quite easy. We'll insert one column section, make it full white, and then column gap, no gap. Then just drag and drop the image, in Google Map widget. Then set height about 300 or 350. That's it. Now to facilitate one page navigation for this, so let's set it section ID. Let's set section ID in the get enters. Here we can section ID contact. Then here on this section we can set section ID pricing. Here about, here Control Z. Here we can set services. This is the section ID that I have created on this menu in the past episode, and for this first section we can set section ID home updated. Okay, and let's check this out. View page. What's going on? And while it is loading, let's check out how it looks on mobile screen. Wow. Seriously, we need to work on yeah, this is my oversight for this slider. We have to optimize it for mobile screen on the slider template itself before we started designing the home page. Okay, for this okay, this okay, this okay, this okay, okay. Here itself is okay. Get enters okay, map okay. Everything works. The only problem is this slider with templates. Here we have lots of paddings on the left and right for this column, so we have to make sure. Then how about tablet? Okay, so let's work on the templates. So we can close this home page. We are done. Yeah, this is about what we do, pricing, contact us. Okay, navigation works. All the section IDs that we have set is working. Okay, so what we can do for the last one, let's optimize these templates. Go to dashboard, then templates, Elementor templates, save templates, slider 1, slider 2, slider 3, open them all. so that we can optimize it one by one. Okay, let's go for the responsive. Here it is. Go to the column, then advance and remove this padding. Yeah, we can add little. What about 20 to the left, 20 to the right, and little. We can also add little to the top, about 50, something like this. At the bottom too, about 50, something like that. Tablet, remove this, same thing. Add to the right about 20, left about 20. Okay, and yeah, and update it. Let's copy this and paste the style, paste style, paste style. Okay, all the changes has been pasted to other templates, so update them. We can close it, update them, close it. Okay, now we're done. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. It's quite easy to copy other templates, websites to WordPress using Elementor Page Builder. You do not need any complicated plugins or premium plugins to copy or clone or convert a website from other places, from a lab website or from a template, from a theme, from a anything. You can copy it and paste in your website, in your template. Okay, in quite easy way, simple way. So all together now with this part, it takes about 1.5 hours. It only takes about 1.5 hours to convert this one page website to WordPress website. So that too, I have wasted a lot of time talking lot of things, and also a lot of mistakes because of the because I'm designing without any previous plans. So I'm designing on the go, so I'm making a lot of mistakes. So and after watching this video, I hope that you can avoid those mistakes that I'm making. This is the mistake we make without any proper planning when we design a website. So you have to after watching this video, you'll get to know what we should be prepared beforehand before you started designing a website. So make sure you have proper planning, what you need to make preparation, images, color codes, all those things you have to prepare beforehand before you started designing. And I hope you learned something new through this video, and please don't forget to comment, like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. And one thing, Elementor is experimenting on the container widget. Here, Elementor settings, experiments. Elementor is experimenting this flexbox container element. So by soon in the near future, we'll be designing WordPress website using this container widget. So the section or inner section widgets will be outdated in any time soon. So don't worry. Yeah, it's quite easy to use this flexible container and quite convenient. I also make a few videos before this video series on how to use flexible container, and in the future too I'll be making a few videos about this widget on how to use this flexibly to design a WordPress website. Okay, and yeah, I'm taking lots of time. Okay, I hope you get inspired or you'll learn something out of this video. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye.